the wind-up dynamo is not giving us enough power, so we got these solar lights that look really Halloween-y. We're just going to take them apart, so pretty easy. Unscrew them, and that's what they look like on the inside. They got the actual battery, which will give us steady current, so hopefully that will work if we connect 4 of them together, and that should give us enough volts and amps. Okay, so we have this piece right here that we disconnected the solar panel from, and what we're going to do is try connect the dynamo machine to it. So let's say it's already nighttime and your battery's running out of juice, you can still wind them up, even though it will take you probably at least 10 minutes of cranking it to get a decent amount of energy out of it, but it still works, right? If you're too desperate to make that one phone call or like send that one message. So the problem with that might be is that the dynamo machine is actually just a motor too, so we have to figure out how to wire it properly so it's, when you crank it, it actually sends energy to the batteries and not do this here. Hold on to that. We'll use 2 as an example so it's more entertaining. And so if we don't wire it properly, that's what's going to happen. We have the batteries here, and instead of charging batteries, the dynamo will do that. Whee! It's magic! Okay. And science in action. Come on, let's do this. Whee! Anyways, that's what can happen if we don't wire it properly, so we hope that we can figure it out. Okay, so everything works. All we have to do is just solder it all together. Unfortunately, my soldering iron is not in the best shape, so I have to buy some sandpaper and clean it. And we should be done. Okay, so we got this car charger adapter that's got a USB out, and we're just going to check if that works, just to make our solar powered charging device more versatile.
So other chargers can use it?
Yeah, so any USB charger can use it. Okay, so I'm going to put it here. Oh wait, I got to connect, so all you do is just plug it in here. I'm going to try. We're just using regular batteries now because they're the same amount of power we get from our solar light batteries.
We're going to wait for that to light up.
Just easier to test it. Can you see it here? Here you can just, oh yeah, you can hold it. You know what we can try though? Let's try the other charger here. The port B, that's not.
So what's this?
This the same charger, just the second port from it, and it's pretty much like we're getting rid of all the resistors in here that's supposed to bring down the 12 volts that you get from the car to 5 volts that you need in your phone. So this is just a USB port that you can salvage from anything really. This came from the same adapter. They had 2 ports. So we'll try to wire this to the same batteries and see if we get power from the port to via the USB cable into the cell phone. I'm stupid. That should work.
Here?
Yeah, so minus on this side, plus is on there. I need to get closer to here. Make sure all the batteries are together, and come on, it should work. Uh-oh, I feel it. I feel it. Oh, whoa, holy shit.
Fuck.
Yep.
Ow! You felt that.
6 volts, 6 volts.
Ow.
Well, it was working. We know that.
But it hurt too much.
Yeah, it hurt too much.
Yeah, that hurt.
Try soldering it. It's probably safer.
So does that prove it was a success?
Yeah, I think so.
I would think so, since it hurt.
It started going through. So
we felt it.
Yeah, if it didn't go into our bodies, it would have went into the cell phone.